Back. This video is about the properties of parallelograms. I have a parallelogram here and I'm given two sides, RU, which is x minus 1, and ST, which is 2x minus 12. I need to find RU. The first thing I need to do is to solve for x. One thing about parallelograms is that parallel lines are congruent. So I can set up my equality, which is x minus 1 equals 2x minus 12. In that way, I can solve for x. Alright, so I subtract x on both sides. I'm left with negative 1. I'm left with x minus 12. And I can add a 12 to both sides. So here I have x equals 13. So to find RU, I'm going to use x minus 1 and I can substitute 13 for x. So I have 13 minus 1, which is equal to 12, and that's RU. Alright, so that's it. Let's look at another example. I have this parallelogram here and I need to solve for x. Again, the property says that parallel lines are congruent. So I can set up my equality. So I can make 14 equal to x minus 8 and then solve for x. So I add 8 to both sides. Alright. So I have 2x and then I have 22. Or 32 rather. Next, I will divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 11. Pretty simple, right? Here's another question. The question is for us to, the problem is for us to find x. Again, we can make these two equal to each other. So I have x plus 9 equals 3x minus 5. I'm going to subtract x on both sides. So these will cancel. I'm left with 9 equals 2x minus 5. Then I'm going to add 5 to both sides, and that will give me 2x on this side, and on the other side, let me just scroll up a little bit. Alright, so this gives me 14, and I can divide both sides by 2, so x is equal to 7, and there we have it. Finally, we need to find, where is it? Yes, find ZW. So we're given UW, the entire line being 36. We need to find ZW. ZW is half of that. Well, first of all, we need to solve for x. So what we know is that 2x plus 32 is equal to x plus 32. So we subtract x on both sides. Alright. This cancels. We're left with x plus 32 is equal to 32. And then we're going to subtract 32 on both sides. Okay, so x equals 0. So ZW will be 0 plus 32, and that's 32. That's it. See you in the next video.